this vlog is, it didn't really turn out the way I wanted it to be, but I will still put this up. I don't know what else to say. um okay, so since I couldn't do what I wanted to do over there, I thought, why not show what I carried in my bag. So this is the bag that I carried with me. I had my DSLR just to click some pictures, which didn't really happen, okay. Then I had water bottle, biscuit. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I think I should also show what I was wearing. So I was wearing this jersey material cap. This is my brother's jersey, and I'm wearing this tiny shorts. Okay, then I will end this vlog here. Even though it was a fail vlog, but I'm gonna still edit it and put it up, because why not, right? And I know I will be going to like different places. I've been making plans with some of my friends to just go for a trek or go see some waterfall. So yeah, maybe that time I can just try and vlog something nice.